everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name's Vicki. Welcome to my kitchen. I like to share lots of cooking videos, meal prepping, healthy meals, comfort meals, country meals, all the food, everything that's yummy. And today I am fixing a, what would you call it, a garden meal. Our local produce stand is starting to get in their veggies. And my sister and I cook for my dad. My mom passed away a couple years ago. She cooks most of the time. When I don't have my grandbaby, I try to cook bigger meals for him. He likes those country type meals. And today I'm fixing some pole beans, cornbread salad, fresh corn on the cob, deviled eggs, and some chicken. And we're just going to eat really good today. But the recipe I'm going to share with you all is for my cornbread salad. Now, I shared this a long time ago when I first started my YouTube channel, and it's done really well on my views, so you can check that out. I'll link it down below as well. But I think it's pretty much the same. I actually can't remember, but this comes together really quick. It's absolutely delicious. It's one of my favorite things to eat with fresh green beans or any type of bean, like white half runners, pole beans, not shucky beans, but a lot of the beans that come in. I can't even remember all the names of them. But anyway, white half runners is my favorite, but I honestly will eat any of them and ignore all that stuff on my table in the background. My husband just got home and that's his dumping ground. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below, do you like cornbread salad? Have you ever had it? And if you fix it different from mine, let me know what you do different so I can try it out. And let's get started, okay? Guys, it snowed today, and I had purchased some fresh pole beans from our local produce store, and I'm fixing a sort of a big garden meal for my daddy again today. We had sweet sugar snap peas the other day, and today I'm doing pole beans, and I wanted to share my cornbread salad recipe with you all. I've shared it on my channel before, but the quality of the video wasn't as good, so I wanted to share it with you again. And I'm using that same Kentucky Kernel cornbread mix. I told you I'm doing the anti-inflammatory diet, so I'm not really keeping sugar and flour and all that in my cabinet. And this, you just have to have a cup of milk to go with it. And it was really good. And so I'm going to make a little pound of cornbread to make that cornbread salad with. And it comes together really quick. And I think you'll enjoy it. I'm just going to add a cup of milk. We have snow. We've had flooding. We've had mudslides. We've had hill slides. We've had power outages. And now we've got snow. So we've had it all, people. So remember us in your prayers. Pike County is really bad. We got it the worst in 2022, but we still had severe flooding, and the mudslides has been horrible. So there's a lot of people that need help. So be praying for us all in eastern Kentucky, and the whole state of Kentucky actually had flooding. I know everyone has things they're dealing with, and I totally understand that. Make sure I read that right. It just said, in a bowl, combine milk and entire cornbread mix. I guess that's all. And you're going to bake that on 450 for 15 minutes. So, that was easy, wasn't it? I just sprayed my round pan here, and I'm going to use that to bake it in. I've got some iron skillets, but I did not want to use my iron skillet. So I'm just going to use this, and it works fine. Those iron skillets are really heavy. We're going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes, and I'll meet you back here after it cools, and we'll put it together. Okay, I've got my cornbread out here, and I'm going to just go ahead and cut it in cubes and then sort of just crumble it up the best I can. It can come out good. And I think that's a good little box cornbread mix. I'm really surprised by that. And I've just got a bowl here I'm going to add it to. And I'm just going to crumble it up in there like that as I do it. Let me know in the comments below, do you like cornbread salad? I love it. Now, it's honestly one of my favorite things to eat with green beans in the summertime. Instead of eating cornbread, if you just eat cornbread salad, it's basically the same thing. But it's so good. See here? I've got my crumbled up cornbread. Got my food dicer here. And this is actually the first time I've used this thing. My daughter told me to get it. She said I needed it. I was like, okay. Okay, we're going to take, first thing we're going to do is rinse our tomato off. And I'm going to cut the core out of my tomato here. Let's see how this works. I don't know, guys. I've never done it. Put our tomato in there, and I put it on small dice. Okay, there's our tomatoes. Pour them in. Okay. Now, we've got our green pepper. I'm going to rinse it off. I may be late to the party. Turned out good, didn't it? All right, and then I'm going to use some green onions. There's our onions. All right, look at those veggies, how good that looks. I hope this is a big enough bowl. You know what? I don't think it's going to be. I may have to get a bigger one. That'll work, that'll work. Now, after you do your veggies and crumble up your cornbread, we're going to take our microwave bacon, and I'm going to use my kitchen shears and just chop it up in there. Like that. And I just used a whole box of microwave bacon, but you can use, you know, any kind of bacon you want. You want it crispy, though, and you want it cooled, so you can crumble it up or cut it up good. I actually would like more bacon in it than that, but that's okay. That'll be good. This is so good, guys. You're going to love it. Okay, then you're going to take a bag of the finely shredded cheddar cheese. Mild cheddar, don't get sharp cheddar. Yeah, I mean, it probably don't matter, but I like the mild better. Now, I'm just going to use the whole bag. The whole kit and caboodle. Got me a new jar of mayo. I'm going to take mayo. Now, you don't want this gloppy, but you do want it moist, okay? Not gloppy, but moist. So, probably a good cup, at least, to start out with. This tastes so good with fresh green beans. We're having pole beans and sweet corn, deviled eggs, and fried chicken, and cornbread salad with heirloom tomatoes, cucumbers, and strawberry onion cut up. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be a delicious meal. All right, let me taste it. Let me put some salt and pepper in it. Taste it again. I'm getting a little bit of a sweet taste. And it may be the cornbread. I don't remember it tasting sweet. It didn't say it's a sweet cornbread. A bit more mayo. Okay, let me try it. Get a piece of bacon and tomato. Look at that, don't that look good? It's good. Perfect. Perfect, guys. All right. It's finished. I've got my beans in my Instant Pot, and I've got my corn clean and shut. It just needs to boil. I've got my eggs boiled, getting ready to make deviled eggs. I may film that too, we'll see. But I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you can hang out with me. We share all kinds of cooking, from country cooking to healthy cooking to meal planning, shopping hauls, and all the fun. See you soon. God bless. Bye.